What's going on? My name is Michael Petty. So as you see on your screen, basic MLM versus the G2000 as far as Exitus Elite. Now, when you look at the basic MLM structure, you literally have to figure out how you're going to get paid. You basically have to do your math. It's like you got to go back to school just to figure out how you're going to get paid. GV, BV, CV, binary, spillover. What's the requirements? Like, what is it all? What's all? You have to sit down and figure out all the different ways you got to get paid. On top of that, a lot of them, you have to maintain a rank. Otherwise, if you don't hold that rank, your income drops. Someone on your team, if they make the decision to, especially if they're a leader, they go somewhere else, they're going to take their team with them, so your income going to drop again. You got to maintain those who live in. You got to maintain those who decide to move on or just quit altogether. You got to replace the people who won't build or quit or any, just the basic things that come along with building a business online. But in Exitus Elite, we make instant commissions. We get to pick how we get paid: Zelle, Venmo, Cash App. You make the decision. If you make if you're at the level of G1000, you make a $1,000 sale, you get paid $1,000. Boom. That's simple. You just got to be in that position. No monthly fees, no yearly fees, right? There's no math you have to do. There's no specific qualifications you have to make outside of being at that level to earn. And the same thing that you have to do inside of a traditional MLM: create content, prospect, meet with people, build trust, allowing people to connect with you, is the exact same thing you have to do inside of Exitus Elite. So it all works the same, but my question is to you: which one makes more mathematical sense based on the work that you're going to have to do? Now listen, I'm not knocking no MLM opportunity. If building a residual income, is a route you want to go that route. You're getting paid like your gym membership. You get paid like your cell phone bill. That's excellent. Different people have different goals. If you're new to this and you have a few years to build that residual income and you enjoy prospecting, working, and doing all that for $20 residual income, because over time, within the next few years, you can start making that $4,000 a month. But if you're like me and you're brand new, you want to build your skill, you want to get the training, you're willing to put in the work, you're willing to take the time, you're willing to give yourself enough time to learn, and you get positioned at the G100, G2000, you rather focus on 2 to 4 sales instead of 100 to 200 sales, then Exitus Elite might be the route you want to go. If you're on YouTube, all you have to do is scroll down and you click on this link right here, and you're going to get information about Exitus Elite. I got some bonuses that I give to my team. Anybody partner with me, any level, you're going to get my AI promotional pack, which is 10 prompts to help you promote Exitus Elite. And if you decide to go bigger in your business, G1000, G2000, I'm going to run your first set of traffic to your link to get leads coming through your system, so you can get the notifications, see how the back office stuff work as far as the CRM, and also potentially putting $1,000, $2,000 back into your pocket. Also going to get into our team private chat where you have other G1000, G2000 members there also. So if you ask your question, you're definitely going to get your answer. And I also got some additional bonus that I got from my sponsor. You're going to receive those at any level also. So once again, my name is Michael Petty. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Click the link down in the description to check out more information about Exitus Elite. If you don't want to go back to school and do your math, I will talk to you soon.